Requesting standard documents.
What if?
If it doesn't match, it will be eliminated as a person of interest. Should we continue? Here's the pen. I'll dictate the phrases that you were going to write. I'm sorry. I have to process. Please water the plants.
And you read the first phrase, and you read it right. I'm sorry. I had to do this.
And care for my dog.
Water the plant and care for my dog. No dance, I love you.
And
You seem to speak like what?